It is about to go zero. Violence Senior High School. Agenda is about to agenda. This is the MX Social Show. My name is Kwadwo. Sheldon. The head is big for a reason. And yes, and same way CC was social media this week. I have compiled it. Say social media. Social media police. Whatever happens on social media, it will come on this show. And I have compiled all the stories, the most talked about ones, the trended ones, everywhere the story day for. A Shabuasi crab, Wakuya become why Obuasi, yes. Obuasi is trending. We will talk about that issue. A whole lot of issues. So I've been in the news for the past 2 days. Yes. I go talk somebody matter way, Charlie. The way them drag me, somebody they do live video, this my mommy and things, but we move regardless. What do I say? So today we have a lot of things to talk about, and I have one of the finest content creators in the country, SDK, no food to say judgment dead. Minim Jodio. Akwana fu swankasa. In this say I know about show, so I know I share jalabia, I know I share chest and tadia kese or person cover no, but we know say the guy stomach ne. I don't know what he has been eating, but people should advise him. Yes, SDK is here with me. Bro, what's up? What's happening?
Charlie, what's up?
What's happening?
What's up, man? I'm good.
You know you come late.
I come
you
late.
for nail down. Make you know make an anana Romeo you for this show. No. You don't fit come. Listen, SDK, you can't come to my show and come and misbehave. We don't do that. No.
Are you okay?
Me, am I okay? You came here late. You came here late. You were supposed to come here at 10. Hey, Montomo Boase.
Are you okay, my brother?
I am okay. But you can't come to my show like and come and be doing that, I don't like that.
Let's move on. Let's move on.
Let's move on.
I'm late. It's okay.
Please, you
put it aside.
My man talking to microphone on Moshe, Me pacho, we bet me join the conversation on social media. The hashtag is MX Social, and our Instagram handle is MX24GH, Facebook MX24GH, Twitter MX24GH. Aya now the hashtag na kana share content now comment about us now yes, let's go straight into the alacrities of today's topic.
What be the meaning of alacrities?
If I knew, I'm coming now. The whole thing is alacrity. Me quite say baby you and I say na me the afofo na afi.
It's a very lucky quarter semi na beto.
So Obuasi is trending.
Yeah.
I'm sure you know why Obuasi is trending.
Charlie.
It has been trending for the past 2 days. Not like they have discovered new gold or anything.
No. They still have gold, but the new gold that they have found.
It not be small.
Charlie, the gold it is bright.
Boss. See, this is the most today
they come past VVIP there, all the buses for the
everybody they go Obuasi you.
6 o'clock.
It not be small.
No bus there.
Wait, it not be gold though, not be for gold though. Me say this is like the most talked about where forget the Kensi, forget the abruchure for where they look from saying.
Most
a traditional kingdom
royal wedding. No, they passed the royal wedding.
Me say I never see wedding where people are so interested in it, especially
uninvited guests where they go there.
Violence Senior High School.
Uninvited guests.
Everyone is going there. And the whole matter we say, you know the story.
Yeah, I read a story. They say some lady will go pay school fees for one soldier man.
He pays school fees.
They feed them. Oh. They buy clothes. Charlie, what all top boxers in
The boxer issue self. Also top boxer.
Top boxer. And what he pay them with we say the day the guy they graduate, the guy in family members or the girl host them. He host them. Feed them, buy clothes, give them, buy water, then drink everything. Where all this money no be working money, it be loan.
It be loan.
Bro, full loan. But I don't know which shoddy we go do this. Sometimes love is serious matter. The guy go take loan, take spy the man. No, the thing is taking personal money, spy the man with the money finish.
But the guy no send him. Then send you.
Charlie, bro, this be love matter. Sometimes
why
I don't know. You don't get pity. You don't get pity.
Which can pity? Me,
you sometimes you do your shows and they listen and they be like, you don't get heart.
It don't be about heart matter.
No. You for understand some people. Charlie, You forget feeling give the girl.
So what's right now? Make we get feeling give the lady.
Yeah, make you be sympathize.
No, bro. Me, I did my somewhere. Where you say you go use your personal money, take care of me, go buy me boxer shorts and things. I'm not saying.
You dey bre?
Who tell you say the bre?
You dey bre?
Why? Who made you the determinant factor of braying?
Charlie, all that aside, the lady say they taking money.
So my problem is some of us we are going to the wedding for the jollof. If there's going to be chaos and violence, please deal with the soldier.
Charlie, Kumasi na no, I take time in jollof na be dinner.
And then I'm person catch you why Kumasi jollof no dey be. What kind of life? Hey.
No.
Hey.
They still go Kumasi. Be
You
careful
just
the
said
time
Kumasi jollof no dey.
Hey, I said be careful the jollof you go.
If this information gets to 2-4, you are dead.
No. Who go Kumasi the fufu?
Why not jollof?
No, we don't eat jollof at Kumasi.
This is wedding. They are supposed to serve.
No, they will serve fufu.
SDK tie. Me say this is wedding.
Don't eat jollof at Kumasi. Simple.
This guy, what the wrong?
Where eat fufu at Kumasi?
Why people for not eat jollof? That's why they talk.
Don't eat jollof. Eat jollof for Accra. If you want jollof, come to Accra. Simple as that.
Oh, you're serious.
Open watch out to me fan off.
Hey. Okay, so let's move on to the next topic. You know the Grammy issue, right?
Yeah, man.
It's been talked about for almost a week because of some conversation we started on social media.
Yeah.
And it all started, as the thing happened, then boys started to throw stray bullets on Twitter.
Yeah.
Everybody they get musician John when they now producers Jenna. So everybody catching him. The next day, in a way, I go do your of the day, say this and this, then this be why ABI. Oh, because when it happened, the fan base is normal can say, oh, because you shot the reaction. They say my reaction be the reason the artists in this country know they get Grammy. See, me who statement like why? How you will tell me that? I don't understand.
I mean, most of it, feel like Charlie will go past that.
You understand?
Some comment that they see for Twitter.
How?
To me, feel say some people. Cause see, I read someone in Twitter about about your talking where people they talk say, oh, the video no they be and things. Mm-hmm. You know what? The comments somebody say, he was there, Charlie. The camera they use to shoot the video. You never see any producer for here where they use that camera before. Oh, I'm like, G85. Police have been use the camera way be that. But you know, on Twitter, no, cast and everyone no man, the quit, bro, so you know the bad. But people they bash artists before.
That is my point. People they bash. You see, at the end of the day, the conversation out to be say, media platforms, bloggers, we don't propagate the positive stuff for artists in here. Yes, sorry, we are always talking about negative. And I feel like that statement is misleading. And we need to talk about it. Listen, you have been following me. Yeah. How many shows I get for my platforms? I have about 6.
Show of the day.
Take the hour of the day out, which talks about topical issues and the hour way they happen. The breakdown is for the artists. Duku Discoveries is for the artists. I have other shows.
The hair show, the show.
Yeah, even the interview. Yes. Interviews. So all these shows. Now, if you sit down there or you sit back there and you tell the media people that media people are always promoting negativity, they make sense. See, when I wake up from bed and I open my Twitter feed, and the first thing I see is Yapuno is beefing who? Shatta Wale. When I go to my YouTube, I go talk about the good news from the Bible or what? I don't understand. No. Because I need to understand that conversation.
Yeah.
What you put out is what we talk about.
Yeah.
And this happens everywhere. When you go to the US, they have tabloids, they have TNs, they have content creators, they have vloggers talking about these things. It happens everywhere. So the fact that you didn't win a Grammy doesn't mean say the media is your enemy. And the fact that it's like the media people, they don't even care. People then go look at the live video Shatta Wale did. Me, I said he insulted my mom, and I don't have a problem with it. But the issue that we were supposed to tackle, he didn't even talk about anything.
Yeah.
He was just talking about mansions, this and that. We get it. We all know. And you are very rich. That one, the conversation is very clear. But at the end of the day, the Grammy is the conversation. Why did you not win the Grammy?
What
there
happened?
Are issues.
What did they do? They reach that standard.
He made mention of, he said the fact that we don't have big labels and things, and the Burna Boys, they are backed by Atlantic and all those things. Yeah. Fine. So what is the way forward? That is what we are talking about. You don't just wake up and insult people left, right, center. He attacked Marco Kumante. He attacked Andy Dusty. Like, bro, the same media that you sit there and insult, you will need them. Yesterday I tweeted when I went on YouTube to check about the people that have reacted to the songs that they have released. A lot of people have reacted. The views not be encouraging because people are not consuming their content.
Yeah.
It is me, the Magra here by the end of the day. People will come watch when I break down. Then you will get the attention you want for your song. If you sit in your house and you insult everyone. It's not even me.
Why never be able to break down?
You understand?
You understand?
The problem is beyond, like,
It be big.
You understand? It is beyond Ghanaian bloggers. It is beyond our media distance.
Like, one or some yard, they have to encourage themselves, Charlie. Some moves to be now better to reach their standard. Do me, I say no. Me, I can't take you to Atlantic Records. I can't take you to the Sony or the places. I don't know that. The best I can do for you to also read there, me break down, me posting your song and stuff. So if we are telling you, say, oh, do this, Charlie, we want to be happy where we are. Say, Charlie, Shatta Wale Konya Grammy, Sakodi Enya, Wenya. That's the feeling we want to have.
So you
understand?
See, that assertion out there say we hate our artists, we don't push them and all those. When Shatta Wale did the collaboration with Beyonce, see, Charlie, the whole country, who don't talk about that?
Everybody talk
about it. Who didn't talk about it?
Everybody talk about it.
I just don't understand. In two patches, when he did
the patches. Yes.
So I don't understand why you have to descend on the media every time. Everybody is blaming, like, blame this, blame that. Meanwhile, the problem, we are not solving it. Yeah. If you claim you have money, you have 5 mansions, you have cars and all, we respect that. He has a record label. Yeah. How far with the record label?
It's another xylophone, right?
I don't know what is happening.
I don't know. I don't know if the money.
But the money part, they make sense. At the end of the day, you need money. You need the links because if you want to get in contact with people, you need
links.
It be links. The awards and it be political and all those things. You are supposed to be here. You are supposed to kiss a lot of ass and all those things. But at the end of the day, what I'm trying to tell people is the conversation should be beyond Ghanaian bloggers doing this and this. Yeah. Please, when you go everywhere, country
people they bash you. What
people bash him. Beyonce, people bash him. Justin, all the top artists, they face criticism. At the end of the day, how you deal with it is the issue or is the way forward. For us, we should find the media, we for play our part in making sure that we put your songs out there, do all those things. We will do it. But please, when issues pop up on social media like that, don't make it look like, now blaming for now insult. I don't understand. Because the media, yesterday I had a conversation with Bakus, some guy in the US. Apparently he's a voting member of the academy. And he exposed us to a lot of things that even, I'm sure most of our artists don't even know about the Grammys and how it works. You understand? These are media people behind the scenes.
How they work? See, it will shock you that most of the artists don't even know what their works, even on YouTube and stuff. They don't know how some things work.
The guy told us that you don't have to sit there and wait for the Grammy to come for your work. You are supposed to submit it for consideration. And he made us know a lot of things, you understand? These are media guys behind the scenes. They are not there. When you wake up and you insult them, how do you expect them to come out and divulge all this information for you? Yeah. So let us all respect ourselves. At the end of the day, the industry, I'm not saying the problem is with the artists. We all have an issue that we are supposed to fix. But at the end of the insult, let's say our team were coming. It no go put us anywhere. Burna Boy no go do live video and insult blogger. No.
You work out for it.
He is bigger than that.
You work out
See the bigger picture. Please, more videos, the reactions, because me, if you allow me, make 55 hours, but I have to go to Obuasi for my jollof. Yes, please, more videos.
So, Charlie.
So this is Sister Fierce reaction.
But relax, so. Yenim dieko. Now, Charlie. We just respect one our body, respect our fans. Sometimes we don't want to do too many. We don't want to do a lot. Video ya masai obi better be di matemo chese Jimmy Phobio ba be di matem Ghana for there yin sia nyansa da we no go learn obi man na mbekye Brofo mpo broni ambra beche ne sad sem na pascal broni kra beche brofo de se ne ye de na pascal na me can I'm saying it so kwa me come na aboyedua because this one it doesn't make sense because the hatred and the not supporting one body didn't start from now in this 2020 it started from 1950 something 1930 ache. It will be na boy because this one day pache musremu say Antoine Yebeko na ya correct verse dua na mommy yen nia bom ni sha on Independence Square na yen hu bibi because ade we I've had it. I don't know where it's coming from. And you say you need scowl and I say you hu chi you okay. But ungratefulness not not supporting into no yen hu the for your life in your crib you. Anyway, I've said what I've said. I've had it. Remember Twitter, Honon Sammy, I saw Grammy, your man. Grammy, I'll Grammy, Papa, Waji Grammy da. Oh, Mammy, Waji Grammy da. Huh? Waji Grammy da. And I will be, and I want to be at the Grammy da.
You see,
hey.
you see the
but
issue
on
now.
On a row.
No, make a my mom be musician.
You don't be musician.
My papa be musician.
No, be musician.
So what? See, you see where the argument they go now.
But on a row, if I know sister no.
Nobody moved to
why.
You see, when issues like this come up, we'll be our person or expressing your opinion and things. Look at what she's saying.
Charlie.
Oh my mother is not a musician. My father. Okay, my father there. You won't start, nobody can stop reggae, but you know, forgive him, forget him. So make it. But at the end of the day, you see, it is your job as an artist to create content for us to consume. And if people are consuming your content, they are saying, say, no, I didn't read it, and you won't share that. See, people know they criticize your work.
People they do.
Criticism be part of the job. It's like occupational hazard.
Yeah, man.
You see, say Whiskey tweet dot as he win the Grammy.
On see.
Oh wow! You see,
in the chill, is it the Ghana?
Branding here high. What I say? Oh no, I'm a shock crying, sir. You see, that's what I want them to understand. You need to see the whole thing you are doing beyond Ghana.
Charlie, that be the thing.
Look at this.
Cause sorry to the time this guy come, with Maya come.
Yeah.
I go meet time. Charlie was like Charlie. The work move beyond Ghana. You know they do the work give Ghanaians only. For the whole world.
Exactly.
So Charlie know how you go adapt. So say the world go accept you, you for do am.
Okay.
Make you if you not adapt where the world no accept you and it still go mingle here then here and there and we banner found kakra then you have to install the whole Ghanaians. I don't see the
Charlie,
reason in it.
Make I just read some few comments on our Facebook page. You can join the conversation. MX Social, that's the hashtag, and drop your comments. So this one is from Real Musky. He says, Sheldon, frankly, I really admire you and the work you do for Mother Ghana. You have really motivated me to even start YouTube content creation. Hey, wow. Kasao. Le Kasao. This one, yeah, this one, NS Joe said, could you show I figure I say SDK be fancy guy. Nah, I'm not sure. Yes, this one is from what he said. Okay, this one is from AMG Kweku. He said, I love your show. My name is Bryce, speaking from Yellow House. Wow. This is from Gideon Buadi. He said, Obuasi trending. This is from DJ Kasi. True. Me, I watch other songs when I watch your breakdown. Big Mish. Hey,
big me up.
Okay, so this is from your boy. I say, hello, your man sport, bro. I am sure you be the Kwadwo piano guy, Loki. Nah, I'm not a piano guy. Please, don't fasten me, shame. Please. This is from Eugene. He say, SDK, Kumasi your love, the sweet pass, Accra your love.
Forget it.
We will talk about that one. And yes, let's go to Twitter and see. This one is say, this is from information where we say, forget Shatta Wale and move on Sheldon. Oh, you know I've moved on a long time ago. This one is from Kwesi AJ. He say, could you forget that? Colleague no. This one is from Rain. He say, are we eating watching this morning or Boise people will give us jollof? I think we have to get to the place before we go know whether we go eat the jollof or not. What do I say? But see, the Grammy conversation, at the end of the day, what we they try to talk, we say, we are not we have contributed to the problem. The problem is there. The conversation is how do we solve the issue and move on as a creative industry, you understand? Because there are a lot of things Every day you see them complain about Gumroad, this and the copyright and all these things. These are some of the things we need to channel our energy towards, you understand? If you want to retire as a musician and cash on with whatever you have put out, these are some of the things.
Mostly they feel like, I don't know if the musicians, they feel relaxed. They don't want to move, make them things, because I quite remember, I said Japan came to complain, say, food this can be, then things, die for them. You know?
Yeah, yesterday I hear say, some information I hear be say, you have to be part of the Gumroad in order for you to get the royalties and all those. So that's what I was told. I don't know how correct that is, but at the end of the day, they say you have to be part of the, you understand? So if you are not part of the organization and you want someone to go and, I don't understand. You need to be part, you need, your voice must be part of the conversation. You understand? Me, see, breakdown here, nobody they pay us. We just do it. I am not your problem. I'm not your problem. So don't sit there, and I am speaking for the media because I don't know the media. Some people they are always kissing us. It affects me. It affects you. Go fit sit open your life.
How did they kiss them?
You just behave. When you break, behave. Hey.
No. Some of them they kiss like this.
Hey, Jai, rough SDK, Jai.
But one person, to kiss you as
hey, that's risky for it. Please, let us solve the issue. And we know how we team are coming because at the end of the day, and your question, no Grammy, the Grammy committee.
They don't give you cards.
Come on, man. Please, let us move on. Let us fix the issues. Let us fix the industry.
Charlie.
So that at the end of the day, when we are doing the Charlie, when we are mentioning the Burna Boys,
Charlie,
we have our big boys over there.
Shatta Wale,
that is what we want.
Inside, Charlie.
I don't hate Shatta Wale. I don't hate Sam. How can you hate? Please.
It's hate. I don't hate.
Hey.
It's hate. I don't hate Shatta Wale. I don't hate. It's hate.
Let's move on to the next topic. You are not serious.
I'm serious, my brother.
Let me go for a commercial break. I will deal with you. I said hate. You are telling me hate. Okay, no problem. We go come back. But join the conversation on social media platform, MX Social, hashtag.
The Grammy Awards goes to...
My YouTube plug now, Grammy. My YouTube plug is my Grammy. I have dedicated it to Shatta Wale.
That's right. Yes, congratulations, man.
Yeah, but yeah. Okay, you are welcome back to the MX Social Show. As I said, you can join the conversation on social media. Our handle is MX24GH and the hashtag is MX Social. Charlie, join the conversation. Whatever you have on your mind, drop it. We go read it in the comment section or when we click on the hashtag, we'll mind the information. Now, let's move on to the next topic. They have increased, they say they can't pay for the water we use for the corona. You know.
You need be home.
Hey, please, don't bring it here. Please.
But 50% of the tax, maybe take you this guy.
Because I've seen some people attack
50% of the tax.
But you know,
take give you.
You know one person who he commented about the thing other news, Praise David or say, you know he campaigned for the and Okoka said, I said they campaign for this government because of all these things. You see, I say they look some way. The way they move to your man. If you screenshot now, they won't find money and kind of. They move to your man. Oh, your man regret. You say if we campaign for Nana to do more on the premise of free water, electricity during the pandemic, and we turn around to tax the people, then it makes some of us who champion the cause look mindless. What's this?
Charlie, they don't have any mind.
You see, they'll move to your man and you can't do video explain. But at the end of the day, I don't think we have to politicize these issues. You understand?
Why do you think we shouldn't politicize it?
No. Listen. At the end of the day, we all want the best interest for the country. The fact that he campaigned for the MPP, no, they mean say if for not comment when the
okay, they talk about in comments.
Yes.
Okay,
because the issue be saying you campaign for them. Why are you talking? But no, if he doesn't talk, who is going to talk?
That be the thing.
The fact that he campaigned for them.
I think this is the best, because this is the best person to criticize the government.
You understand?
Because
he's part of them, and he's saying, he said, no, you're campaigning more. At the end of the day, we feel like, I said, we have been betrayed. And people want to politicize, they want to view it through political lens.
Because
it doesn't make sense.
People, they say, you will vote give them. I'm like,
I don't solve the issue, no.
That thing for left, some vote for full freedom. You know, choose sympathy and stuff.
Yeah, make we move on to the next story. The next story, you see the video. If I talk to boys, I don't know the one listening. I say always zip your zippables. See, use condom. When you condom, they use a polythene bag because
when you polythene bag, I pull out. Hey. The pull out game is good.
Use something to protect yourself. They don't listen. Now you see the video where the Lugonga go preg the girl with take the pregnancy.
I never see. Every day, I want to say most often it is the family will come to the house.
But that's why they chase them for the school. Always they tell boys, they see, hey, pew-pews and people. See,
but the way the mother do, I'm sure if the child comes out, he go be tax collector.
Oh.
Or Ben Nama, tax. Maybe I will say be over sure.
Oh, Charlie,
if the kid come out,
the hustle chairman, he come out t-shirt and too. It will be small. Always with the tell boys. Please protect yourself. Unwanted pregnancy will harm you. Night market. How are you going to take care of the kid?
Hey,
how? Patch up with the more video now. More video now. More.
How you get to me now? Now! What are you? Why you go pick up? Let me and take the baby as well. Fuck you know. I know, baby, inside the room.
Look at chairman. You can't win. You see, the person where you go be like go buy in beans or cake, just walk past it. I don't want trouble. More than one. But look at what is happening. I'm even afraid for the lady because Charlie,
but this thing
be very scary. You go feel for and they carry baby. See, chairman. See,
any mistake we are inside.
What she Togo jeans are calling my bar. Fire stick when.
Fire stick. This to be legit, oh, full legit.
No,
check boy. Hey,
legit.
This be legit. No. Let's go talk about.
Keep coming for there. Anyway, so that is what happened in Legon. You see, by the end of the day, Charlie.
My guy is Charlie.
You for be your mind for day.
Sex they be.
Your mind for day.
Your mind for day. Sex they be.
Why you always talk about sex? Why?
It be part of our life. If we talk about food, talk about the government, talk about this, we should talk about sex because it's part of it. Don't people have sex?
There were you should be talking about.
It's okay.
Anyway, so our next story in Medikal vex. SDK, Bomidi,
my big brother.
He said he vex. He said the next time you go enter your radio station, your TV station, where you go talk about fraud money and so, be smart, you go walk out. He said he go walk out. And it happened on Nana Romeo show or Kawani Ibisa and say, oh, who said the affluent lifestyle no live, they put some image out there say he's a fraud boy, you understand? Because with what he has achieved, people always they read meanings into him and all those things, which I feel like it be useless, you understand? Yeah. So your man says that he go talk about that issue and that will be the end.
last.
So he say, the money they come from music, legit. All the money they spend on mansions and Range Rover and things, they come from the songs he has been producing. So the next time he walks into your studio and you tell him, say, hey, MDK, as they say, how your fraud boy now, or better work you out. What is your take on that one?
I think it's the best because we take that thing from there, say, they do fraud. Because if you see the 69, and you feel Charlie, these people they make money from music and things. So why one artist who you know go fit talk the same to them say, they make legit money for. If you want the who says carry there.
But you are part of Agenda Boys. Why are you afraid?
I'm not part of
you
Agenda.
Part.
I'm not part.
You are part of Agenda Boys.
I don't agenda. Some people are called Sheldon. You know, they don't make money. See, the YouTube money, the car it's not from YouTube. YouTube don't pay him that much to buy that car. So my brother, that's it. That's it. But for Medical's own, but I feel like
let's go for the video. Let's go for the video and see how he reacted to the whole issue.
There's another thing I say or address it.
Okay.
You know, Ghana you say rumors. Why you say rumors? Ben aya otifa ho enya no kra. Opesa wo ma Ghana for say masa mo tin same way forget enya no kra. What rumors do you hear about you? Opesa o kan one say.
Rumors ni be brain. Maybe I have a specific one be
especially said ye otie no na said ye oye ho no. A lot of people think say I say no how we nya usika no na say kra on guy nya beef kakra yi ono kra address we say a fraud money na dey. Can you address that issue once and for all? Now omo aye omo say sika na wo no your fraud money no you clear that thing from their minds.
Honestly, me whole life the last time I made him in Saka from fraud. I say me you so I just will be all every money I spend like flashy everywhere they go, even from my music, straight from music. Recently I went to America, I booked the ticket from my iTunes tune call. I had over $40,000 for my tune call, you understand? So it be music. I won't make every youth understand, say you go fit do music and then get money genuinely, you understand, from shows. And then it's not just from shows, from brand endorsement and stuff. The next time I will go any radio station, I'm saying this here on Nana Romeo's show, Accra FM, that anybody will go ask me about fraud, I will just walk out of the radio station because they not for do that. If they give the youth the perception, say, if they do music, say, if you for do some fraud, no. F that. That will be the way forward.
There's another thing.
Okay, so
Adekam, you see the way in the medical they talk.
Yeah.
You
know, yeah.
But he didn't give Kiddy that.
Okay, you do patch say Kiddy or bottom tier artist.
What? Shed on your bottom tier or your middle bottom.
Oh, can't no cancel because who set the agenda near movie to you are on your own.
Well, it's not only medical who's a vim almost. They will move to Miss Rawa and Kofuka said.
Anyway, but I feel like MDK has a point, you understand? He has clarified it on several platforms that the money is not from fraud. Yeah. As you heard him, he was talking about $40,000.
People they make legit money from
to the bag now $40,000 is a lot of money. So if he's saying he said music can free music legit, so make we position this kind of mindset in the minds of the youth. So say when they want to do it, they will know say fraud is not the option. That is it. That one they go plus. Shout out to Medikal, Medikal for life. Me I be Medikal.
They use for no say music day inside. Because me some one of my friends be say Raymond.
But what happened to your music career?
I still on them. You know, I wanted to have a feature with JB, but up to now I'm maintaining kind. About 3 months.
Well, how no better one can I own question you
boy, me you man boy.
When you bend and answer, who crowd can solve problem?
Mamma mia. Pull up in the Lambo.
Where are the Grammy? Where are the Grammy?
Bro, I'm the only artist that will bring Grammy to Ghana.
And you see a worry. Your generation,
what talent? See, my next Raskuku say, even the only artist you could bring Grammy.
Everyone is saying, Patapa is even saying he's going to give us a Grammy.
Oh, Charlie.
He's going to give us a Grammy. Anyway, so let's move on to the next story. The next story, it shocked me. See, me didn't know shock, but some not shocking me because see, from primary till now, this is the image that has been imprinted in our minds. This is Yasantua. This is Yasantua.
Charlie.
Charlie. We could go see the person in the picture and he didn't hear Santo and he did the money can they say Veronica. Hey! So
see, I'm like, hey, there's this guy, play.
When you take the picture,
play.
Where any idea to your syllabus, Yasanto, Kito, Sermon, hey!
You see, this be some of the pity mistake for now.
It's not pity. What is pity? Petty. Say it after me, petty.
Some of the pity mistake.
It's not pity. that is the image. So an American girl theater has student poses as Yasanto.
So this be black American girl.
Obviously,
yes. And back then, black American girls see there.
Yeah, so
this trip, we okay.
In a bulletproof war jacket.
No, but he said this be bulletproof.
Yeah, that was the. I mean,
let's start. I read the thread. Traditional bulletproof. Okay,
yes.
Okay, cool.
I know there. Any amount of odesh
yeah,
a drone. On no bomb odesh. No, I was so aboba na to. With me for crown are.
Cause this be the story. This be what we have in our mind and research. See, I don't want to go into some things, but see, this be the problem. You see, if you don't research about your history,
they will tell us for us.
Oh yeah.
Because this thing, how are we going to erase this thing from our minds?
Because I can't. Cause what? I can't.
How? And people have it printed in your houses and things.
Stop it, just like the Jesus image. I've said it.
Chasu, SDK. But this is sad. Ghana Education Service, hey, I have eaten yourself.
But so all this on back throw book now. He placed in all Form 1, Form 2. This is Yasan 2.
It didn't even start from JSS. So we say primary.
Primary. We had that. First primary, so much about religions, traditional religion, religion. Yasan 2 picture on the tour. As a we. Oh wow.
Okay. But this is sad. You see, we need to look into some of these things. We can't just be misinforming people left, right, center. Right now, damage has been caused. Look at the number of people that have come out from our educational system thinking this is Yasantua, and this wasn't even... Smallest and we can't tell we say Kwame Nkrumah self, because then the original Kwame Nkrumah, he had a hairline. Maybe they will come and tell us Kwame Nkrumah. It know they make sense.
Because so, for GS for
but you know, have you also seen the publications from those publishing houses? They are stereotyping Ewes and all those stuff. I don't understand how these things are coming into the system. Who is approving what?
They don't read the book or what?
No, I don't understand. And
no, I feel like they, before it will come, they for read the book before. Cause one guy was sitting on radio and was talking about say, or your books were broachy and stuff, or they buy GES and stuff. And they were asking for like 2 boxes of the copies of the book. They will read it before they can.
How can they read 2 boxes?
I'm on the other. Into you to okay, in Paco or approve a phony juju or didn't they read it? It's a 2 boxes of books in
Namu read yeah. How you don't know? You don't see this. How can the stereotype? And you know there are some other one too. They are practically teaching the kiddies like I don't know pornography, squirting and things in the book.
Really?
It's trending on social media, and this is being taught. Kiddies they watch. You see this country, it's like we have to put the entire country in rice and reset it because the system is twerking.
No, you know before add beans attached.
No, me say bon.
Yeah, no, put it in rice. We add the beans and mix it.
That's all the share mumu. I have share beans guzo. Be very serious. But at the end of the day, you see, a lot of things they happen. How? Kiddies day, class 1, class 2, and you're teaching them squirting. They're only squirting you for no be say drink water and things.
Charlie. But what is squirting now?
Please let us be serious.
I'm asking no, you were talking about
Pornhub. Be very careful. This is a serious show.
But Charlie, therefore, release that.
A lot of things that happen. Like,
you know, be only where people will get juju or anything.
Forget all the tribes. Mr. Stereotype. You know who here? Or see F4 game the players juju. By this
but have you seen the one with Shatta Wale?
Yes, and the creative art too. Just say.
And you know how they share book in the man
like what country name? Make we just. I'm turn me the man. No fact they are coming to turn at on because there are some things happening. I'm doing one just here.
Because I want the time like so these kids they really learn.
Look at what they are learning.
Pidgin songs and things for school. I'm like,
what happened to Ephraim Omo and Sons, Philip Beho and Sons? The here no, the fataro near
to Ephraim Omo Nyumako. Ladies and gentlemen, let's move on.
So the next topic, this part. It's not like I can't sing. I'm not in my element. You people should understand that. Now, this topic, it has been trending since yesterday. So, but yes, me kwaji break now. They are meeting shaking. Maybe I'm not theater. Commercial break. We they come back, bro. We are coming back, bro. Let's go. You are welcome back to the MX Social Show. The name is Sheldon. The head is big for a reason, and I'm the president of Duku Gang, aka Kanewu and Semfu. And Edini Dosso. If I want to mention the names, we know we'll complete the show. And then Brofun American can stand. Anyway, so with this one there, we could just chip in this one since we are talking about music and all. We have been talking about music a lot. Now, Jackie is trending.
Yeah,
you understand?
Jackie is trending.
When you go to Twitter right now, gender boys are dragging her in the mud right now.
Right, center,
I thought, she was the favorite now, but I don't know what happened. But I have found out the reason she's trending. Now, she go tweet say, she did a remix of the song. Yes, with Omale. Is that the name?
Yeah, Omale.
Yes. And people are saying said the remix was needless.
So unnecessary.
She for not do that because she spoiled the song and things. And over tweet you say, oh, on the songs, or on no creating, it be for specific people who can relate to his
song.
I may say her songs.
So
and
if you
things.
can't relate,
they stick to what they are saying. And people figures, people they feel like. No, I say they try grow horns and things. But if she say that, I know be anything.
But see, I see some tweets where really the piss me. So the guy was like, "Dear Jackie, here on Twitter, we will discipline you when you joke plus us.
Okay.
Remember, we made you what you are today. Humble yourself. Don't let ego kill you.
Okay.
You made who?
That is the
But so, but you people feel like that is
they don't do anything.
Onyashe like
yes.
You know we tweeting tia.
Yes.
Because you tweeted a song.
Yes.
You are like tweeting ya no nya 1 billion listeners.
Yeah. Sometimes
like, what kind of tweet is this?
You see, sometimes people overestimate their relevance in this kind of conversation. You understand? See, there's some. Wababa tweet say, oh, maybe if you can't relate to her song, you should consider other songs. See, they always want you to lie down on the floor for them. Wow, we made you, we made you, and so you have decided to support her voluntarily.
Yeah.
Whether you made her or you didn't make her, they concern anybody. Support her. If you can't relate to my song, let us move on with our lives. Let us move on.
That be the thing.
I don't know why, because I'm sure she invested in the production of this song.
She did.
Yes, looking at the backlash, people get emotions and things. It can't talk say, oh, you know they feel relate because this is not, you are not the target audience. How this one be issue?
That's how they work as they be catch up say Charlie. You people are not the target audience.
You are not the target audience.
I have my target audience and stuff.
It's like Ekwafo.
But into now be tomoa.
Fine.
Ufrimu so are fine.
Where are some more draggy Jackie? Internet favorite.
Charlie,
she's
a young girl. Let her live her life. Charlie, why enjoy?
Allow the women to thrive in the industry. We need more women.
That be the thing.
Also, and target audience. Koba be waha. Koba menyama di de. It is for everyone. Menkasi menyama di de.
But it's true. It's not everybody really like gospel.
Yes.
Obi ampe gospel. And you obi asu no pepa.
Remix no pa. But original one. Period.
But one thing people for know about remix too is not like sometimes it's not say or call no ma. They will love to do new music, but for the remix sometimes it's for you to get new listeners.
Or for marketing
purpose.
Yeah.
Because Omale no, you reach there. Okay, on Omale you remix and you may call already.
Yeah, but
you
go
extra push
yeah.
for different listeners. Internal then.
Yeah.
Remix. Because if it comes to a new song, it's a new startup already. Or some will be promo to reach another top again. Remix is not just like I'm gonna feel someone here remix it's for a purpose. So don't feel like.
But sometimes I feel like the remix to some know they need.
You sure?
Like and you do a honor, you see.
And you know how to touch it in here remix.
Well, why yeah, I mean quite remix, but I said Ubia hit here. The next thing or person here remix. I feel like sometimes leave the song alone. Let it be there. If you are waiting to create a different one, what do I say? But the remixes, you sometimes you go spoil them. The Omale thing like this, I listen to the song and Charlie, I say, what do I say? And Sheldon cool. But they say we should support our artists so that we move on. So we are going to push it regardless. You understand? But some of the songs say just leave it. But as you said, they have their plans, they have their strategies. If this remix was to put her in the Nigerian market, maybe they have achieved it. So they're bashing right now. Well, it is, I mean, people will still bash, but at the end of the day, let us leave her to do
what she thinks is good for her. Charlie.
Exactly. Charlie, Moku, move on to the next. Do you follow football?
Yeah, I watch football a lot.
What be your favorite team?
My favorite team be Kwadwo.
Yeah, serious. I mean, hey, why you go for Vietnam?
My favorite team. I like Manchester United.
Name three players from Manchester.
3 players in Manchester. I think that would be LeBron and.
LeBron James born Manchester United.
Okay, tell. Manchester. Hey. Rooney. Manchester.
Rooney no there. He retired.
When he retired?
Long time ago.
Rooney retired. Are you kidding? Rooney retired.
Go and sit down.
I like Rooney.
Go and sit down. Me say name 3.
3. Hey, Manchester. A bedroom. Yeah, na the team here blue brown beside. He has some brownish hair. Some guy be like Scholes.
He has retired. I say current players.
I like Manchester United. That is it. I like Manchester United.
Anyway, so the draw is in the quarterfinals.
Manchester Nimo.
Manchester we are playing Europa. Team no, we need to say Wi-Fi password. Zach Graham. Manchester. Then they stress me.
I know they watch ball, but I like the bet on them.
Please, really, draw no. More I want to screen so near share. Teams are almost facing each other. So yes, we have Manchester City facing Borussia Dortmund. We have FC Porto versus Chelsea, which is cool job for. I think no.
Chelsea, FC Porto versus Chelsea.
Yeah,
Charlie, then go Chelsea.
Because it be FC Porto where they come out Juventus with Ronaldo in team.
But see, I know watching football now. See, you know if you predict to.
Yeah, that's
in ball.
And we have Bayern Munich facing PSG. That would be something. Liverpool versus Real Madrid.
This guy he healed already.
Who? Van Dijk.
No. He did PSG. Acquire
Neymar. Oh, I don't know his situation, but I'm sure that by the time the match will be time number so not Wahili.
Yes, you know. The girlfriend birthday.
No, the sister.
The sister birthday.
Yes, the sister. Yes, something there. Random.
So, the sister birthday.
Yes. And no, and any account. That is the speculations on social media. Into no do asama. Go to social media and deal with them. And once again. But yes, that is what is happening in the Champions League. And yes, maybe team there, as I said, they're no day inside. Manchester United, they've been stressing me. I'm sorry, about and church football. Team, you see some of the teams, they mention their name. Some of them, they are pilot farmers, like they are.
Almost a team like Manchester. Charlie is very.
They don't play football. They just maybe that is their side gig. Football is their side gig. Now Manchester United stars they near 2 playing near Panata team Panat.
Player.
He hard. But at the end of the day, we move. So yes, let's talk about the new music out. Yes, I think EO has the WAV out. It's a West African vibe. Yes, and Manifest has this one out. No Fear. Yes, the best rapper in Ghana and Africa. Yes,
Manifest in there.
Oh, that is something we are going to
tournament.
No Fear. We will come back to it. Yes, Manifest has no. No Fear featuring Vic Mensa. Yes, Charlie, international collaborations.
But he also tweeted something about I think yesterday or this morning.
What?
Can people say?
I didn't want to be one.
I don't know, but was some slightly way, but I say
with the trust. So yes, Kwame, Medikal and Kwame UG, they have their song Oseye.
Oseye.
Yes.
And this guy too has Oyeye yesterday. Who? No need be free na say ano. Who? Okay, say one. Honestly, you me yeah.
No, say yeah.
No. Really the new one be meaning.
The new one?
Yeah,
as in yesterday.
Yeah, and you say no tight no similar.
In two patches on the Medikal beef na that's what honum. Yeah, but all these songs are available on streaming platforms. As I say, breakdown in there. You see, I'm a jai. Sang.
I know a jai.
Mean 30 minutes in quartet bars, my nigga bars.
You still have to do because I'm following your footsteps. I'll be coming soon.
Oh, yo.
I'll be doing the breakdown too.
You have to do it. Oh, the urban now, but you're so who stress no woman now. Then when they start insulting you now, you understand. Say, Erade.
No, I won't do their music.
Yes, you won't do it. What?
I won't do the music. I will do the video.
Hey, I forgot about the Rastaman story.
Charlie, why are you doing that?
Oh, some kiddie me them admit them for Achimota, but man get Rasta. They say they no go make it come unless he cuts the hair.
Charlie. The hair grow.
Yes.
The hair grow. I'm sure say from kiddie time where they grow. The Charlie. The boy. But boy initially knows. See, you know what funny thing about the picture? She knows smart no. Or she in him.
No, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
No, they are two different. I think yes. This one is different from the other one. But I feel like when you go to Rome, you do see some social media. We are not progressive now. They are the bro. And now, please.
But bro, we the bro.
School near church say Far Rasta school we. Achimota is not the only school that we have in Ghana here. Go to schools that they will accept you. They have their rules and regulations. Why do we have to drag issues like this?
Charlie, they bring the
Academy.
No, you they bring the kid in self-esteem down. Like Charlie.
Oh no. How go bring his self-esteem down?
No. You they bring them.
Assume me say we them admit them. Everybody will start do Rasta. Oh no, be anxious fiata there. Mom front man.
I think it will be so because I think Chachichi Gata one time was talking about his stories there. We go to school no smoky asthma cigarette.
Into some pamon.
Oh man, pamon. I'm saying no medicated one. Into odu one student omo nya obi anya asthma. So mo ba no the cigarette aba. This an actual mo say please you have asthma. It's medicated cigarette.
Anyway, so me ko Facebook na me go as menya comments kakra bia. Na ye fa show nimra na wie ye ware ase hey Jairov. So yes me read it. This one is from Dobe. Say the two of you there Jimmy no. Oh, this one is from NS. They say Sheldon I bet break down this bar for me. Promoter no and pharmacy kanu mugu. I didn't cry. This one is a Medikal say they do fraud. Okay, what MDK is saying they support him. This one is from They say boys Ayashi Legon boy bread. Okay, so yeah, this water issue make us sleep. So yes, these are some of the comments on our social media platforms. Yes, in the SDK show no. I say yeah they bury but I know they finished because now maybe they can't do the Grammy conversation and Kasa.
Wow.
Yes, Lale is coming in with the
can I join?
+233.
Yes. Lale is around.
Oh, Lale is around. They come enter the whole thread and talk about the Grammy conundrum.
Forget about the Grammy. Hey. Lale is here.
Hey, we are talking about topics.
Lale is here. Lale, look at me. I look too good, man. Oh, where's boss. Lale?
Boss.
Hold on. Let me dress up for Lale.
Hey. Lale also bad.
What you saying, bro?
Lale also bad.
What you saying? What you saying? I don't understand
I'm just saying, say Lale no also bad.
Man. You're trying to say, is that a bar? That is not a bar.
My name is Kwadwo Sheldon. This has been the MS Social Show. Same time next week. Yes, we go bring you everything in the social media. But from here, we go Lale inside, go dismantle the Grammy conundrum level. We have Apietus, we have Kumi Guitar, we have the legendary Reggie Rockstone. No be small. Jason, Ella,
Ella. Ellie, Jesse, Ellie.
Hey,
Ella.
Yeah, blow. Oh, there. Yeah, Paul. With the move be that. You know.